Hey everyone, got a domain name you are not using? You could be sitting on a digital gold mine. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy step by step, even if you are a total beginner. First of all, make sure the domain you want to sell is actually registered under your GoDaddy account. To check, log into godaddy.com. Go to My Products. From here and find the domain name listed there. Before listing your domain, you need to unlock it and remove domain privacy. Click on the domain, then scroll down to turn off the domain lock. Go back to the domain settings page and click list for sale. GoDaddy will walk you through a few quick steps. Set your asking price. Choose whether to allow offers, confirm ownership. If you are unsure about pricing, GoDaddy will show you an estimated value based on past sales of similar domains. By default, GoDaddy lists your domain on their Afternic marketplace, which is one of the largest domain reselling network. This also distributes your domain to other major sites like Namecheap and more, maximizing visibility. You don't need to do extra anything, just confirm it during listing. Once your domain is live, buyers can either purchase it at your listed price or make you an offer. You will get an email or GoDaddy notification when there's interest. When someone buys your domain, GoDaddy or Afternic will handle the transfer and payment for you. They will take a commissions, usually around 15 to 20%, and you will receive the rest via your chosen payment payout method. And that's it. You just learned how to sell a domain name on GoDaddy. Make sure your payment information is updated under GoDaddy settings so you can get paid smoothly. It's simple, beginner friendly, and could earn you some serious cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want a video on how to price domains like a pro. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.